Text alternatives. We are starting with the foundation of all accessibility related topics, where we will cover text alternatives, and we start with the WCAG 1.1.1 non-text content, which lays down a foundation for everything in accessibility. In fact, like it's the basic one. If we go to WCAG understanding, WCAG Y, for example, and now here we go understanding. I know how to find this in Google. And understanding. This is the not intro, but just understanding. This is the very first control, and we'll be going through this now. We already have seen this. It's about giving non-context content and alternative text that serves equivalent purpose. So for example, alternative text for images, that would be mostly the use case, but not only. Also icons, charts, audio players which are being rendered as controls, capture images, and there can be also some others less known. The alternative text must be programmatically. Typically you implement this via HTML attributes, as you have seen with the alt, HTML alt. So you do it with this HTML alt, as we have seen this already. One moment, alt. Yeah, this one we have seen this already in the previous classes, so I don't show it again as a code. That way you expose to assistive technologies some information, and it's visible in the accessibility tree, so people who cannot see the content will get the same information as people who can see. The criterion lists exceptions also, where alternatives differs. Captcha needs text alternatives that describe its purpose, plus alternative modes. Decorative content can be implemented so assistive technologies ignore it. Logos may be used, the organization name as a text, and some other more niche things like certain sensory or assertion cases, but those will be the most common about for example, they use decorative content, but assistive technology would ignore it. For example, with aria hidden true, or you would have also logo described as with letters. For controls implemented with images, for example, a magnifying glass search icon, the text alternative should describe the controls function. For example, search the gallery. So this is very important. Meeting the 1.1.1 is very foundation. It's a very big foundation, because without it, many blind and low vision users and others using text-to-speech simply cannot access the meaning or operate the interface. So if there is something to implement accessible right now, it's 1.1.1. Simply give alternative text to your images, your icons, and mention those which are decorative by giving aria hidden true. Okay, And in the next recording, I will give give some code examples. So see you there.